Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming hardware and turning the radio on. Make sure your PC reports a Wi-Fi adapter, internal or USB, and plug in the dongle now. Install or update the adapter driver using the vendor package or Windows Update so the device appears correctly. Once done, disable airplane mode and enable the adapter in Device Manager or via a keyboard switch. This ensures the system can scan networks. These steps avoid wasted troubleshooting later and get you ready to connect. Now scan and choose the right network. Open Network Settings and let the adapter list nearby SSIDs, watching signal strength and channel crowding. Select your home SSID and prefer WPA2 or WPA3 for security. Older WEP networks are insecure. Enter the Wi-Fi password exactly, or use WPS only if the router supports it and you trust the environment. Make sure to pick the appropriate band, too. 4 GHz for range, 5 GHz for speed, so you get the performance you expect. Finish by verifying the connection. Ensure you received an IP address from DHCP or set a correct static IP, then load a web page to test connectivity. If pages fail, reboot the router and toggle the PC adapter. Run the built-in network troubleshooter to collect basic fixes. If problems persist, check DNS settings, reinstall the Wi-Fi driver, and move closer to the router or change its channel to reduce interference. One key tip: transient issues often resolve after a router reboot. Try that first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.